It's been 3 months since the government imposed quarantine restrictions in the country due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The threat of the contagion has yet to slow down, and even with partial resumption of operations of some businesses and transportation, Filipinos in many areas still struggle to get to where they intend to go. During CNN Philippines webinar, experts from different fields discussed the difficulties posed by the new normal. Among them is transportation or the lack thereof. According to Dr. Antonio Miguel Dance from the UPPGH, only 20% of households in the country own vehicles, while the rest rely on public transportation to get their destinations. Economist and Professor Emmanuel Laico pointed out that despite the challenging circumstances getting to their jobs, many people can't afford to simply stay home.
No work, no pay ang mga tao. Pagka hindi ka nagtrabaho, wala kang kikitain. At your choice becomes gutom ba o sakit.
The most important criterion for which industry to open is there an essential need for that service? And second to that is the risk associated with that industry, their exposure to infection.
Experts also discussed the panic buying that took place during the early stages of the enhanced community quarantine. Laico said people were alarmed to see supplies dwindling.
People are panicking. In fact, in the first few days, people were panic buying, and I can understand why they were doing so, because they were seeing that the supplies, the grocery stores were emptying out. And I think one way of assuring our market is that we are able to maintain supplies in distribution.
Experts believe that while the government has a plan underway in fighting the effects of the pandemic, open communication is essential, which is properly cascaded to the public in order to avoid similar situations in the future. Chrissy Matulak, CNN Philippines.